How to see how many times someone viewed your Instagram story. Is it really possible? Let's get started. So, first thing first, open the Instagram app. Simply swipe left to add an Instagram story. Then choose a photo you want to upload and continue with it. Tap on your story and wait till it uploads. After the story is uploaded, you can scroll up and see the viewers listed over there. You can see who has viewed your story by swiping up on the story screen. However, this list only shows the users who have viewed your story and it does not provide information on how many times each person has viewed it. Additionally, after 24 hours, the story disappears and you can no longer see who viewed it. Instagram does provide some basic metrics for a story, such as the total number of views, but it does not break down this data by individual users. So, overall, as of my last update, there isn't a built in feature in Instagram that allows you to see exactly how many times a specific person has viewed your story. So, as for now, Instagram does not have that feature. So, if it ever updates it, we will definitely let you know. So, till then, please like and subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks. So, thank you so much for watching.